Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make iPhone keyboard bigger. The first thing you will need to do is go into settings. But before that, let me show you an example. As you can see right here in notes, this is the current size of my iPhone keyboard. To change it, you'll simply go into settings. Scroll down until you see display and brightness. Then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see view right below display zoom, and you're going to tap on zoomed. Then tap on set in the top right hand corner, then select use zoomed. After you have selected that, your iPhone screen will blank out for a while. Now if I should go back into it, notes, you can see right there that the keyboard is a lot bigger. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.